Here is Electric Jungle number 1 built off of Electric Jungle number 2. The flashing of the image is actually a color report that I received from my licensing agent, and I was actually trying to match the background yellow back to the trending yellow that I saw. So in this particular painting, I wanted to bring more of the traditional tropical garments such as the headscarf. I'm also changing up the flower designs, the foliage design. I mean, they're still very much of the whole jungle look, but they're different, so that this painting will sit very well with Electric Garden number 2. I'm sure you guys have noticed by now. Oh, wait, hold on. Before I go there, that's me attempting to add a dragon fruit, but then I realized it totally doesn't even make any sense, so I started deleting it. Bad idea. So I switched to this flower instead. I'm actually painting these 2 paintings in Procreate, so they're digital paintings, because I noticed that in the original design request brief, the look that they're going for is very poppy, very graphic-y, and digital art creates just that.